Hey, what's up everybody? This is Spinner coming at you again. And because I don't have myself a camera, right now I can't show you things like full fight footage, stuff like that. So for the time being, I can show you highlights. But anybody out there that thinks they're the tough guy, they're badass at UFC 3, this is what a fight with me looks like when it's over. Enjoy. And also, if you like this video, feel free to grab that like button in a Muay Thai clinch and feed it a high knee. Alright, enjoy the video.
Beautiful knockout here early in the first. Yes,
That's right, Joe. That was a beautiful knockout, I agree.
Perfect execution. The technique was absolutely gorgeous. And again, when you catch a guy early, maybe you're getting him cold before he's had a chance to
Boom.
get into the
He's on Queer Street now, fellas. Boom. Boom. Oh, little wobbly, little wobbly. Oh, and he's down. And boom. That was the final nail in the coffin. Lights out, party's over.
He had the pressure coming in, and he certainly rose above it here tonight. And here we go inside the octagon for the official decision to Bruce Buffer.
And that, ladies and gentlemen, is why I'm the fucking champ. Also, hey Kevin, fuck you.